Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download public tax documents and cost basis detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser of choice. In the search bar, type public tax documents download. Press enter to navigate to the search results. Look for official government websites that provide tax documents. Click on the link to the IRS website or your local tax authority. Once on the website, locate the section for Forms and Publications. Find the option for Downloadable Forms. Type in the name or number of the tax document you need. Click the search button to display the results. Review the list of available documents that appear. Select the document that matches your requirements. On the Documents page, look for a Download or View option. Click the link to download the document to your device. Once downloaded, navigate to your Downloads folder. Open the document to ensure it has downloaded correctly. If required, note any pertinent information for your records. Next, let's discuss downloading cost basis information. Visit your investment or brokerage firm's website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the section for Account Statements or Tax Documents. In this section, look for the option labeled Cost Base. Choose the appropriate filter or time frame for the information needed. Click on the Download button, usually presented as a CSV or PDF option. Save the file to a familiar location on your computer. After you've saved the file, open it to review the information. Ensure all needed transactions and data are included. If you encounter any issues, consult the help section of the website. You can also contact customer support for further assistance if necessary. This completes your guide for downloading public tax documents and cost basis information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.